Bang pasabi ni karelang miyali ang papilkim pa magmoldi kareng estudyante. May tipon-tipon na rin presidente na ring Parents Teachers Association kareng balang distrito at cluster Kim Pampanga. King Brenzigao Convention Center Ciudad San Fernando ngayon Miyerkules, March 20. Iniing mo munang pamikatago na meganap ing aktibidad at mika chance hala rin pengari at Department of Education na pisabihan ing problema na ring anak king eskwela.
The very objectives of the conference is of course to unite our parents because they are supposed to be partners in educating our learners. So they need to be oriented of their duties, responsibilities, and roles because they share in the responsibility and accountability in educating our learners.
Agpangking pamuntukan ng School Governance and Operations Division ay Dr. Arceli Lopez, nasara rin ng ipaganaka at amuyutan ding pengari, dikil king karelang involvement kay pamagaral da, ring karelang anak.
So they are part of the planning process. Their voices are also being heard so that their plans are also incorporated in the plans of the school head in a respective school regarding the education of our learners. So we consult them also because in the implementation, we solicit their support. So from the very start, they need to understand the plan, they need to agree in the plan, they need to share in the plan so that when we solicit their support, they can readily support because they have their sense of ownership and they identify themselves with the plan.
Agpangkang Lopez, kasalungsungan ng daranasan ng Pilipinas ang learning crisis. 90% na kanurang estudyanteng Pilipino ring mababa king reading comprehension. Base naman king 2022 Program for International Student Assessment o PISA, 5 to 6 years lang malalakwan karas kang education ng estudyanteng Pilipino kumpara ka ring mag-aral king aluang bangsa. Aparte king reading, may nalalaman king mathematics ang pong science ding estudyante. Kailangan kanong medinan solusyon ini, king saup na ning involvement na rin pengari lakwas nat ing may ng edukasyon, mumuli king may ng workforce, ang maka-apekto king productivity at king ekonomiya. Kaya ba pa ka rin akakit ng problema ka rin estudyante ing teenage pregnancy at drug addiction. At ing peka masakit, lulub mo naman ka rin ing mental health issues. Kaya ni Kim Pampanga, miras la kanuking 12 ring kaso na ng suicide karang estudyante manibet 2022 hanggang kasalungsungan.
Mumuna po maging problema daw po ring anak ne. Mumuna po yung karela pong minsan mental problem. Minsan ma-pressure la po kayong karelang pamag-aral. Pero ako po yung advice ko po lagi kayong kanak pong anak, karen pong anak, karen pengari na etala po masyadong pressure ang king nanuman po yung karela pong task karen pamag-aral da. Nune, beda mo po yung best da. I-enjoy da mo. Baka nita minsan kasi ding anak magin lang matotorture la, balada, pinakamasakit pagsubok na nimbiya ita. Pero panayak po sabihan karela na enjoy mo, ibiya mo yung best you, baka nita, potang ibinye yung best you, nita, ala ng baka nita ela mapapressure.
Atin naman kanong programa ing DepEd kambe ang provincial government tikil kanini.
Because of the pandemic, there were a lot of students who experienced depression. More of them, we give them psychosocial mental health consultation in partnership with the provincial government. And likewise, the Youth Formation Section, under the leadership of Madam Paula Meneses, have come up with a Learners Welfare Program, which was funded by the provincial government, allocating 10 million for the training of our senior high school students on spiritual and moral recovery, to be able to address the issue on mental problems, so that we believe that prevention is better than cure. So the more that we can prevent it, the lesser that we will be encountering problems with mental issues.
Samantala, amuyuta na naman ng occupational therapist ay Gabriel Angelo Gilas na estudyante ang emag adwang isip manyad sawo.
Na-encourage ko kayo na kapag meron kayong nafe-feel na parang hindi na maganda yung mood ninyo for the past few days or nagkakaroon na kayo ng mga suicidal thoughts, 'di ba? So maganda na ipagpaalam agad sa mga authorities or sa mga specialista. Actually, meron naman mga libre na mga foundation sa Pampanga or sa Pilipinas na nagbibigay ng mga free mental health services. So, pwede kayo lumapit sa mga public hospital like sa JBL, ganyan, para at least makapagpakonsulta agad kayo at makapagbigay ng intervention para maiwasan na magkaroon kayo ng depression o kaya anxiety in the long run.
Ako, Inky Kayong Talasuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.